think that's for Toby.
Yeah, Grandma can be trusted with the ones that
No, he only gave it to me because it was a trade.
What did he get?
Present.
You got a
You gotta give
present?
that to Toby. Yeah.
Is that Toby's shirt?
Look what it says.
What does it say? Here comes trouble. Aww. Here comes trouble. That's for Toby. You want to go open the one for you?
This is Betty. Big guy. I'll hold it, sweetie. I got a really,
Oh, that's
I got a
adorable.
really big one because I figured it'll be cute when he
Yeah.
starts crawling.
Yeah.
He's not that big anymore. He's about 6 months. They had 3 months in newborn, but I figured it'd be cuter when he's crawling.
Okay, it came out.
Benny, there it is. Go open it up.
What is it?
What does that one say?
Big boy.
No.
Oh. Nice. Big
Big
guy. That's for you.
I want the big bite.
No, that's for you. That's yours. That's a pretty one.
That's Baby Ben's.
That's a hat.
It's not a hat, it's a
That's
shirt.
a nice hat.
You're silly. I love it. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Angel.